everyone. I'm here to discuss what is data visualization dashboard. Okay, what is data visualization dashboard? A data visualization dashboard provides decision makers with a high level view of their most important metrics. It combines number, charts, graphs, and other graphic design to focus an audience on the metrics that matters. They can be helpful for spotting problems early, making decisions about where to allocate resources, and measuring progress over time. What is difference between data visualization and a dashboard? A data visualization is a graphical representation of information which uses visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps. They can be used in a variety of situations, such as presenting data for clients or shareholders, communicating research, finding the colleagues, or analyzing data for personal use. And about dashboards, it is a elaborate collection of data visualization organized onto one screen. Dashboards are designed to support a specific progress or a set of goals by surfacing data using appropriate, easy to digest visualization. The dashboard provides key information at a glance without the need for extensive interactivity. Next, what makes a good data visualization? The right data visualization will always be the one which most clearly and efficiently communicates your data. As our eyes are naturally drawn to color, shape, and patterns, using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps means data is presented in the most easily understandable format. Data visualization can be static or dynamic. Static visualization are typically used to display data in a clear and concise way. This is especially helpful when presenting large amounts of data or when the data is complex in nature. Interactivity visualization allows users to explore data in a more depth. They also allow viewers to manipulate the data in order to better understand it. This can be especially helpful when trying to uncover new patterns or trends. While static visualization are best for quickly conveying key information, interactivity visualization are more suited for analysis and exploration. In this context of dashboard where several visualizations are arranged in close proximity, for visualization should be support for overall purpose of the dashboard. Logically, groupings related metrics next to each other make them easy to find, and though it tempting to choose different visualization for the sake of visual variety, it's important to use the visualization which is in most logical and understandable and efficient. How do I choose the right visualization for my data? Choosing the right visualization for a given set of data is crucial for conveying the information effectively. The wrong choice of visualization can obscure important patterns and make it difficult to understand the data, which can lead to incorrect conclusion depending on the time of data being represented and the message that you want to communicate. There are different visualization that can be used. In the following section, we'll take a look at the sum of the options you have to available when creating a data visualization dashboard. Number of visualization. The number of visualization displays metrics that can be represented by a single number, including percentage and currencies. Further, context can be added to number metrics in the form of progress bars, trend lines, and comparison of status indicators. Although single number visualization seems simple, they are often the most efficient and effective way to communicate high-level KPIs. Use this visualization when the number is the most important aspect of the metric you're displaying, such as today's sales or yesterday's website unique visitors. Next is line chart. Line charts display information such as a series of data points, often using equal intervals, connecting by straight line segment on an X and Y axis. They offer a clear and accurate assessment of the trend, acceleration, declaration, and volatility of the data. Use this visualization when you want to see how your data changes over time and to help prediction about future data points. The next is column chart. Column charts represent data with the vertical rectangular bars with length proportional to their values. Use this visualization when you need to compare more than four categories and, as a general rule, fewer than 12. They are also useful when you have negative values in your data, as we associate negative values more with downward direction. And the next is bar chart. Bar chart, like a column chart, bar chart represent data with a rectangular bars with lengths proportional to their values, but the bars are plotted horizontally. Use this visualization when comparing the value of data that can be broken down categorically. Bar charts are suitable when the number of categories is higher than 4 and lower than 15. Bar graphs also offer more space for your category labels, which can also make them easier to read than column chart. How many data visualization should be on a dashboard? There is no hard rule about how many visualization a dashboard should include. It depends on the dashboard and its purpose. For example, some dashboards are perfectly effective with just a single visualization. However, at the upper end, you should be careful about overloading your dashboard with information. Do not include more visualization than a user can comprehend at a glance. Our dashboard example should be give a good idea of how other companies are designing their dashboard. And now, let us discuss that can we Excel be used to create a data visualization dashboard. Excel is a very popular data visualization tool because it's easy to use, versatile, and widely available. It's a great tool for collecting, analyzing, and cleaning up your key metrics, but it's not the best way to communicate them with team members and shareholders. First, data in a spreadsheet can quickly become outdated. leading to decision making based on inaccurate information. Second, it can be difficult to format data in a way that is easy to understand at a glance. Lastly, downloading the opening spreadsheet takes time and effort. With dashboard software like a Gig Cobord, you can turn your Excel spreadsheet into an effective wall-mounted Excel dashboard, where changes to the Excel file are displayed on the dashboard automatically. Thank you, and that's for all for today's video.